Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Ironclad for sales contract approvals, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Ironclad website. Once you are on the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to enter your credentials. If you do not have an account, look for the sign up option and create a new account. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. From the dashboard, find the Contracts tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Contracts tab to view your existing contracts. Now, look for the option to create a new contract. Select Create Contract to begin the process. Fill in the necessary details for the sales contract. Make sure to include accurate information regarding parties involved in terms of the agreement. Once you have filled in all required fields, proceed to the next step. Look for the Approval Process section within the contract. Select the appropriate team members for the approval process. You can add specific approvers by entering their email addresses. Make sure to double-check that all emails are correctly entered. Now that you have set up the approvers, review the contract one last time. If everything looks good, look for the Submit for Approval button. Click on Submit for Approval to send the contract to your selected approvers. You will receive a confirmation that the contract is submitted successfully. Monitor the approval status through the dashboard under Contracts. If any changes are requested, you will be notified via email. Make the necessary adjustments and resubmit the contract for approval. Stay engaged throughout the approval process to ensure timely completion. Once approved, you will receive a notification confirming the contract's approval. You can then download or share the approved contract as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.